morning.
Good morning. Good morning, child.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi. Hi, Teju. And hi, Kartike.
I'm Ashmita. I'm Veda.
Hmm?
I'm Veda.
Oh, hi, Veda. Hi, Ayantika. Hi, Satvik.
Ashmita.
Hi. Hi, Advik. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
That's very smart. Good afternoon. You can even say namaste.
Namaste. Say namaste.
Hi, Chris.
I'm traveling.
Okay.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, baby. How are you?
Hi.
Okay. Let me see who all we have. Oh, hi, Priyanka. Oh, Ryansh. I can see your very big mask.
I'm Ashmita.
You are very smart. Wow. Yes, you are in a car, I think. Wow. Hi, Mukta.
Not a car. I have a little bus, mini bus.
Oh, you are in a mini bus. You are going somewhere. Oh.
Shopping. Do you like your Ganpati Bappa?
Oh, Ganpati Bappa. Wow. Good job. Well done.
Do you like all Ganpati Bappa? Are you Hindu and Christian?
That's not
Okay, good. Hi, Guman. Hi, Gyan. Hi, Adira. Hi, Manit. Hi, Yukta. Hi, Vyanshi. Hi, iPhone. There is one person. Hi, iPhone. Hi, Samaira. Hi, Sai.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you all?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Very sweet, all of you. Okay, now let me ask the important question. 3 questions which I asked. The first one is, who all have done brush in the morning all by themselves? Sattva has done. Good job, Sattva. Amaya, brilliant baby. Ayantika, Veda. Good job, amazing. Valit, Yuka. And Amaya also. Gyan also. Wow, Yanshri, beautiful baby. Ashwi, you all have done brush by yourselves. See how confident kids you all are?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, I know that you guys are amazing. You kids are super duper kids. Okay, now second question. Now, who all have loved their mama papa in the morning? They have hugged. You have hugged your mama. Love your mama. My God, Advik, Sattva, and who else? Ashwi, and Manit.
Me, ma'am.
I also. My goodness, see? You all are super kids. I told you. Kavya, wow, okay, Kavya. Good, Kavya, brilliant. Yukta, I can see your hand. I can see your hand. Yes, I already saw you. Good job, kids. And the third question. Shall I ask the third question? The third question is, who all have drink of water in the morning?
I remember.
I have drinking a lot of water. Who all have drinking? Tell me. Wow. Good, Adira. I can see you. You are drinking water. Very nice, Adira. Good, Advait. Well done. Well done. Even I am drinking a lot of water. Now I'll be fit. I'll be strong. I have to see it's hot season. It's humid season. I have to be a strong person. So if I drink a lot of water, my body will be hydrated. Means there will my body has a lot of water. So I'll be fit and strong. So will you all promise me that you all will drink a lot of water? Very good, Divyanshi. Good job. Everyone. Brilliant. Okay. Now, because I know that you all do a lot of activities, I always see your nice pictures and videos. I love it a lot. Today, I will also show you. I have also made a craft. Shall I show you? You know what? Janmashtami is about to come. Janmashtami means Krishna's birthday. You know, we all celebrate our birthday. Krishna also celebrates his birthday. And we all celebrate his birthday. And I have made a bansuri, a flute. You can also make fun craft.
Very beautiful.
Yeah, I know you all do. I know that. Good job. Okay. Now, who all are ready to listen to the story? Show me thumbs up. Me. I will also. Yay. Okay. Let me share my screen with you all. Okay. Yeah. Tell me. Okay. Can you all see my screen? Yay. Okay. Wow. Just give me a minute. Okay. Today's story. Before I tell you today's story, let me mute you all so that we will not have any disturbance. Yeah? Okay. Just a second. Okay. Okay. So, my name is Sakshi and I am a personality development trainer. That means I love to do a lot of fun activities with you kids. That's my favorite. Okay. Now today I'll be narrating a story about a lazy rabbit. A very lazy rabbit and a sincere turtle. Shall I tell you the name? The name is Monu the rabbit and Sonu the turtle. Okay. Monu the rabbit is really lazy. Lazy means he doesn't like to do any work. He just like to lie around and sleep. But Sonu turtle is a sincere turtle. He always listens to his mom, his parents, and he always finishes his work on time. Yeah? Right?
Right.
So, let's hear their story. Once there were two kids, so Monu the rabbit and Sonu the turtle. You know what? Monu rabbit used to tease Sonu turtle. Oh, Sonu turtle, you're such a slow turtle. You always run so slowly. Look at me. I am such a fast runner. I run so fast. In every race, I run so fast. Yeah? Just look at me. In every small race, I run so fast. Shoo! And Sonu turtle runs slowly, slowly. That's why Monu rabbit used to tease him. Oh, you're so slow. You're so slow. He was very rude. He shouldn't be rude. But then he always used to tease him. And one day in their school, Sonu Monu's ma'am announced that there is a competition, a racing competition. Okay. So ma'am said, Sonu Monu, you both have to practice hard. You both have to practice a lot so that whoever will practice a lot will win the race. So you both ready? Then they both said, yes, ma'am. First, Monu thought, wow, it would be so great if I win the race. But why should I practice? I'm a fast runner. There is no need for me to run fast. There is no need for me to practice. So he didn't practice. Instead, he slept. Oh my God. He didn't practice. Instead, he slept. But on the other hand, Sonu the sincere turtle thought, yes, it will be very nice if I will win the trophy, if I will stood first. But then ma'am told that I have to practice hard because if I practice hard, I will win the race. So he focused and he listened to his ma'am and he kept on practicing. He started practicing. He started moving forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. He practiced really sincerely. He really practiced hard. Then, on the day of the race, their ma'am said, Sonu Monu, are you both ready for the race? They both said, yes, ma'am. Monu was really overconfident because he didn't practice, but he said, oh, ma'am, I will race and I will come first. Then ma'am said, okay, be ready. On your mark, get set, go! So at first, Monu started the race so fast. But you know what happened? Because he didn't practice, he got tired and he slept. Oh, I'm feeling so sleepy. I can't race anymore. So he slept in the middle of the race. He didn't finish the race. But Sonu the turtle, he kept on moving because he practiced hard. Yeah, you remember? He practiced really hard. And look, he finished the race. See, Monu the rabbit, he already slept because he got so tired. But Sonu the turtle, he practiced hard and he won the race. Look, wow, isn't it great? Sonu the turtle has finally won the trophy. Now, Monu the rabbit realized his mistake. He said, wow, Sonu turtle, I am really sorry. I'm really sorry. I'll never be rude again. And now I understand that being lazy is not a good thing. I should also be sincere just like you. I should also focus on ma'am thing and I will always listen to my ma'am and my teachers and my parents and I will not be lazy. I have learned my lesson. So Monu rabbit said, sorry turtle, I will never be rude to you again. Let's be friends again. So Sonu Monu became friends again. And then Monu learned to be sincere. You all like the story? Show me thumbs up if you like the story. Good. Now, the end. Let me ask one question. Let me see if you all have learned a lesson. Suppose in school your ma'am has given some homework that please write ABCD, and what will you do? You will say, oh no, I don't know ABCD. Let me leave it. I am lazy. Let me be lazy. Let me leave it. I will not finish my homework. Or you will say, no, I'll be sincere. I will listen to my ma'am. Ma'am has given me homework. let me finish my homework. And if I don't know, I will take help from my parents or from my Didi Bhaiya. Right? What will you do? Show me your left hand if you will leave the work and you'll become lazy. And show me right hand if you focus on your work and you finish your work. Show me. Yes. Good job. Good job. Yes. We will focus and we will not be lazy. Yes, we will not be lazy. Good job. Good job, everyone. We will finish our work and we will not be lazy. Good job. Well done. Now, do you want to even listen to the story about Dev and Kavi? Shall I narrate the story quickly? Show me thumbs up if you want. Okay, alright. I will do that. Okay. Now let's see what Dev and Kavi learned today. Let's see. Dev learns taking turns. Oh, let's see what happens. One day, Dev and Kavi were playing. So Kavi said, wow, let us play. Let me kick the ball. So Dev said, no, I will kick the ball first. I will only kick the ball first. So Kavi said, okay, it's alright. We are friends. We will play together. That's alright. So Kavi stood in front of the net. And then Dev kicked the ball. Kishoom! Kick the ball again. Kishoom! Then Kavi said, wow, now it's my turn. Please let me kick the ball. Please give me the ball. Dev said, no, I will only kick the ball again. It's my ball. I will only kick the ball. So Kavi said, okay, kick again. Dev kicked again. Tisho! Now Kavi said, now it's my turn. Please let me kick the ball. So Dev said, no, it's my ball, Kavi. Only I will kick the ball. Only I will kick the ball. So, Kavi said, oh, why Dev is not doing that? Why Dev is not letting me kick the ball? It's not fair. It's not nice, But Kavi said, okay, you can kick the ball again. Then Dev kicked the ball again. Tisho! Kavi said, it's my turn. It's my turn. Let me kick the ball. Okay. So Dev again said, no, I will only kick the ball. Only I will kick the ball. Then Kavi said, not fair, Dev. We are friends. We should play in turns. One time your turn, one time my turn. And you are not at all giving me any turns. It's really not nice. You should let me kick the ball. I don't like that. It is not fair. No, Kavi, it's my ball. Only I will kick. So Kavi said, okay, now I am not playing with you anymore. I am going. I will not play with you anymore. So Kavi went. Ooh. Dev thought, oh, why is Kavi going? Why she's not playing with me anymore? He didn't understand. But he just got surprised that Kavi has gone away. She's not playing with him anymore. He asked, what Kavi is gone? Then Kavi met who? Kavi met Uni Didi. Kavi met colorful, beautiful, sparkly Uni Didi. Uni Didi said, la 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 la. Hi Kavi, how are you? Then Kavi said, hi Uni Didi, I'm sad. Why? What is the problem, Kavi? Why are you sad? Then Kavi said, Dev is not giving me any turn. It is not fair. He is not giving me any chance to kick the ball. This is not fair. That is why I'm not playing with him anymore. Oh, Kavi, you got a problem and you have identified the problem that Dev is not giving you chance. or turn, then if we have problem, let us look for, say loudly, let us look for solution. Very nice, very nice. We should always look for Unity. Yes, we look for solution. Yes. Please mute. Please everyone, please mute. Otherwise we will not be able to hear. I'm not able to move from here. Can you all please mute?
Solution.
Yes. Thank you. Very good. Well done. So, Unity say, why? What he's doing? Can you think, Kavi? Why Dev is not sharing the ball, or why Dev is not
ऐसे
giving
क्यों
the
पड़ा?
ball?
अब मैं म्यूट करूंगा.
Yes.
अब आप मत इसको अनम्यूट को मत ऐसे कर.
Yes.
मैं कर
Please
रहा हूँ.
mute. Please mute, baby. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, Unity say, Kavi, think about it. Why Dev is not giving you chance? Did you think about it? So Kavi said, maybe he doesn't know that we should play in turns. Maybe he doesn't know that when we play with our friends, we should always play in turn. One time my turn, one time my friend's turn. Maybe he doesn't know. So Unity said, wow, Kavi, you got the solution. Amazing. See, when you think of it now, you have got the solution. Wow. Now even Kavi became so happy. Yay. Thank you, Unity, for helping me to get a solution. Now Kavi and Unity became really happy. Now they decided to go to Dev and talk to him. Yes?
Yes.
Well, Dev was standing. Oh, why Kavi has gone? Why Kavi
Yes.
gone? Yes. But then Unity and Kavi came to Dev, and Unity asked, "Hi Dev, why are you sad? What happened?" So Dev said, "Kavi is not playing with me anymore, Unity. I am missing her. She is my best friend and I want to play with her, but she is not playing with me." So again, Unity say, think Dev, why Kavi is not playing with you anymore? Think about it. So Dev also thought, and Dev said, maybe because I have not given her turn when we were playing football. I have not given her turn. I have taken all the turns. Maybe because of that, she is feeling bad and that is why she went away. That could be the reason. Unity said, wonderful Dev. Wow, see, you also got the solution. Now you got to know that we should always play in turns. Because you didn't play in turns, that's why Kavi went. Now you also got the solution. Isn't it great? Now Dev also became happy and he also got the solution. Now Unity, Kavi and Dev all became happy again. They became thickest of friends and they played happily. Wow! Dev said, thank you Unity. And I'm sorry Kavi, I will not do the bad thing again. I'm sorry. Now let's play it by turn. They became best friends again. The end. How many of you like the story? Show me thumbs up. Yay! Good job. Good job. Yes, well done. So now again, let me ask you one question. Suppose you are playing in a park. So what will you do? You'll say, no, only I will swing on the swing. No, I will. It's my turn only. Or you'll say, okay,
I will share.
And one time me. Show me your left hand if you will say, no, it's my turn. Or show me your right hand if you will say, no, I will give one turn to me and one turn to my friend. Yay!
I will share.
Well done. Well done. Good job. See?
I will share.
Yes, I know you all are amazing. Isn't it great? Okay, now let me ask some questions to you. Shall I ask? Okay. Now let me ask you, who all cries when they get hurt? Tell me. I got hurt. Who all cries loudly? Cries.
तू क्लास में मेरी मनीषा मैम की क्लास नहीं है.
Yes, we never cry. Just tell me one thing. I will give you solution. Who will tell me? Just I will give you solution.
Put medicine.
No, medicine will not. Medicine we only eat when doctor says. Tell me, cry is the solution.
Ma'am, I want to cry.
Yes. Suppose if I get hurt, shall I cry or shall I look for solution? Tell me.
Lotion.
Yes. Because crying will not give you any solution. If crying will give you solution, shall we all cry? I got hurt. Shall I cry like that? No, we should not cry. But how do we look for solution? We should look for solution like we can ask Papa to help us. Oh, I got hurt, Mama. I got hurt, Papa. Okay, tell me one more thing. Have you ever seen Mama Papa crying? Have you ever seen Mama Papa crying when they get hurt? Tell me. Have you ever seen? Why? Why don't Mama Papa don't cry? Yes, tell me. Yes. Tell me. Shall I tell you? Okay. Do you know why Mama Papa don't cry? Because Mama Papa, they are intelligent, they are smart, they understand that crying will not give you any stress. Yes. Crying never gives you any solution. We all got to think, what can we do? Just like Unity always says, always think. Suppose you are in a problem, just think what you can do, right? So we always look for solution. And when we smile and think, we get the solution, you know. That's the best part. So show me thumbs up who will always look for solution. Will you all always look for solution? Yes, I know you all are smart kids. I know. Okay, just tell me who all wants to play a small game. Who wants to play a small game? Yes, okay. Alright, let me bring all my friends. Let me bring Lindsay. Let me bring Kavi. And let me bring Dave. Okay? Okay. Now Kavi says, bring something starts from letter A. Did you find something from letter A? Like toy aeroplane, apple.
Bring something which starts with letter A.
Quickly, Kavi says, bring something from letter A. Bring something from letter A. Bring something from letter A. Come on! Who is going to sing? Oh, what word? What are you going to sing? Come on. Yes. Wow, apple! I can see an airplane also. Wow.
Apple दे दो ना.
Wow, good job.
Alphabet.
My goodness, so smart. Now let's see if you can bring something else. Now Dave says, bring something from alphabet B.
B.
Yes, B for ball, B for bat, B for any other thing, balloon. Bring something from letter B. Quickly. Go.
B belt.
Big bag, very nice. Well done. See?
मैं आपको कुछ दिखाना चाहता हूँ.
Let me see. Let me give you a tough one. Let me see if you can do that. did he say? Can you bring something from letter P? P for pen, P for pencil, P for picture. Yes, no, not for it is B for bed. I'm asking P for
Let us
picture,
see plate.
for pencil.
That's the plate.
Yes. Wow,
Look at the plate.
Now let's take another difficult one.
Ma'am.
Let me see if you all can do it. Very difficult. Now, Avi says, if you all can go bring anything from letter C. One, who can bring any object from letter C? I want to see that.
C. Let us
C for cup, C for toy car, C for anything. Oh yes! Wow! Corn! Well done, Amaya. Corn! C for corn. Well done.
see. This car.
Wow! Wow, everyone! Oh, wow! It's so beautiful. And I see Adira drinking water. That's beautiful, Adira. Brilliant, sweetheart. Good job. Amazing. Yes, we should always drink water a lot. Promise me you will all drink a lot of water. Promise me. Good job. Now let's meet next class, in the next story section. Bye kids. Love you.
Bye.
Best kids. All of you amazing.
Bye.